Karina, and I'm back with another yoga video for you. This one is for all you lazy girls who find it extremely difficult to get out of bed each morning. This routine can be done in bed, and it's a perfect way to get your exercise in every single day. So without further ado, let's get started. Twist your shoulders to the left till you feel the stretch in your spine. Repeat this on the right side as well. Now bring your legs forward and touch your toes. You will feel a stretch in your calves and your hamstrings. Put your right leg behind you, fold your left leg in the front, and reach forward. Feel the stretch in your quads and upper back. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Bring your knee as close to your chest as possible till you feel the pull in your glutes. Repeat it on the other side as well. Now bring both your knees up to your chest and concentrate on your breath. Feel the stretch in your hips as you pull them up to the ceiling. Make sure the bottom of your feet are touching. And you will feel a stretch in your inner thighs. Now come back up to the sitting position. And inhale and exhale. Concentrate on your breath. Take your time here to relax. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you're feeling happy and energized this morning. Stay tuned for our other videos and keep watching our fitness series. Until next time, bye!